edge. I don't know the names of those other two up there. Oh, there's Sugar Bear up there. He's like above me right now. I don't think you can really see some of his That one's got a hummingbird on it. That one. That is so pretty. That's Cynthia Seal. You can actually kind of, not on my camera, but like you can actually kind of see where it's Cynthia Seal on the balloon. It's so cool. That's our only other special shape this year, I believe. Her and Sugar Bear. There's Alley Cat right there, but there is Cynthia. So she turns back around. Cynthia. And then there's all the other balloons. Can't even see Sugar Bear anymore. Pretty far away now. Turn back over here. See what's coming. That one's pretty right there. Yeah, that one, you can't see it on my camera right now, I don't think. But yeah, that one is one that used to come here every year. For a while it was coming every year, remember? Got the flag on.